G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car in Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2014 Nissan Navara ST in a 4x2 automatic dual cab. Reason we do these videos is to give you a really good indication of the car you're looking at with us. Vehicle has just come into stock, so it's just been detailed, roadworthy is yet to be completed, but as you'll see as we walk around the car, the vehicle presents really well. A couple of key options this vehicle does have is factory satellite navigation, factory dual cab, and factory dual climate control. Also does have your hard lid on the rear as well. But as you'll see, absolutely phenomenal condition. So I'll start from the outside of the vehicle. We'll take you through the interior, and that way you can see that this car quality for age and kilometres is absolutely fantastic. Setting down the driver's door, beautiful condition. Down towards your factory side steps, absolutely phenomenal. Coming to your front guard area. I tried to put the car into shade because it is quite warm today, but I have got the car running also through that in the video so you can hear it run, but absolutely phenomenal condition. Alloy wheels and tyres are in great condition as well. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, a couple of minor marks on the bumper bar there. I don't know if you'll see them in the video, but a couple of minor marks. Again, nothing major for this age of car and kilometres. It is quite normal, but as you'll see for the age it has and the Ks it has travelled, phenomenal condition, really clean. So credit to the previous owner, they have cared for it very well. Up to your bonnet section and then coming to your passenger front guard. Again, faultless condition, absolutely beautiful. Tyres and alloy wheels are in great condition as well. Down to your side steps on the passenger side, again, beautiful condition. Up to your door section, beautiful condition all the way through. Minor mark just here. Again, we'd rather point them out to you so that if there is a mark, we'd rather point them out so you can see them. Coming up to your door section, you'll see my reflection in the background, hello. Vehicle also has been fitted with the window tint also. And then coming back to your rear end, rear door on that passenger side, again, paint condition, absolutely fantastic. See my ugly legs. And coming to rear quarter panel or tub, again, beautiful condition. Absolutely phenomenal condition. Rear tyre and alloy wheel, again, plenty of tread left on those tyres, alloy wheels in great order as well. It does have the black sports bar with the Tuff Tonneau's hard lid. So it's classed as a three-piece. You've got two pieces on either side and then one centre one. And your black sports bar on the actual rear of the car itself. Again, ultimately clean all the way through. Back to your tailgate. Again, you'll see my reflection there. Apologise about that. Rear chrome step, Nissan genuine Towbar. Absolutely beautiful condition. Up to your tub liner, or say your tub cover, so Tuff Tonneau cover, as again, there's a decal for Tuff Tonneaus. Now I'll lift that Tonneau up just so you can see the genuine Nissan tub liner as well. I'll open that section so it's a bit dusty and dirty. We've had a bit of wind in the last couple of days, but your Nissan, genuine Nissan tub liner also in great condition as well. Has been looked after ultimately well this ute. Beautiful condition. I'll shut that tailgate and the tonneau cover, and then we'll continue on paint condition. A couple of minor marks just there. I don't know if you can see them in the camera. A couple of minor marks there, but again, for this age of car in Ks, not a drama again. And then completing the exterior, we'll come around the driver's side rear of the tub, quarter panel. Again, your alloy wheel and tyre. Sorry about the sun glare in the background, folks. And we'll come back to the rear door on that driver's side. Again, really clean condition. Sorry about the sun glare. Again, a minor mark there. This looks like a shopping cart door open in the car park, but again, nothing major. For this age of car, again, phenomenally clean. We'll take you through the interior as well. Start from the door card on that driver's side door on the rear. Carpet flooring being the ST model, and also your cloth interior. But again, interior wise, absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful condition. Over to your passenger front seat. Absolutely phenomenal. Door card on that driver's side, and then continuing on with the interior condition on the back seats. Again, I also apologise about the sun glare, but take it from me, very clean. It's a true credit to the previous owner. Open the driver's door, just show you the interior as well in the driver's section. Again, Bose stereo system again. Again, this would have been factory up, so it does have the Bose stereo system, your dual climate control, factory satellite navigation. Again, Bluetooth is standard. but as you'll see, ultra clean. On your driver's seat, over to your passenger seat, again, beautiful condition. So I'll jump inside the ute, bit cooler inside. It's quite warm outside today. Interior wise, so current kilometres as we speak is 173,807. So they're the current kilometres we're at the moment. Again, your steering wheel's in great condition, no wear on that steering wheel, right around the outside of the steering wheel. You do have your cruise control buttons on your right hand side, your volume control mode buttons, and also your Bluetooth answer and hang up button on the left hand side. Over to your power windows, and your electric mirrors are just down through this section just here. So it's a bit glary. So electric mirrors as well. Again, over to your main screen. Again, your AM FM radio. Again, it is dual climate control. Reverse camera again in this model, normally not an option as factory. You do have your map for your satellite navigation. It does have factory satellite navigation. As you'll see, we are in Officer, so in the southeast suburbs of Melbourne. You got your Bluetooth, so no phones are paired currently at the moment. So really good options. And then you've got your dual climate control. So you'll see on the base of that screen, you've got your dual climate control. So again, another functionality this model wouldn't have had as standard. So again, factory nav, factory dual climate control, reverse camera, and your Bose stereo system as well. Beneath that is just your controls for your stereo system, sat nav and telephone. And you do have your heating and air conditioning with your dual climate control either side, your volume controls and your tune buttons either side of as well. Coming beneath that section is your unlock button for your car itself. Normally the 4x4 dial will be there, but again, this is the 4x2 variant. And again, just your automatic transmission, dual cup holders and handbrake as well. So as you'll see, absolutely phenomenal condition, great kilometres, great value for money, and great options over and above your standard ST. So if you're looking at other Navaras, please keep that in mind. This one has been optioned up with a few goodies. So comparing to other ones, this one will stand out from the crowd just in condition and also features as well. So I'll jump outside the car, we'll wrap up the video. If you have any other questions moving forward in relation to this Navara or anything else we have here in stock at your next car in Officer, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership. You can speak to either Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you well. But it's been a pleasure to take you through this video. But hopefully we've found the right Navara for you. Have a great day.